In the Products Details tab, you can select whether it is batch or serial tracked. This will create a corresponding serial or batch numbers tab. If your product is serialized, a serial numbers tab will be available and will list all the available serial numbers across your warehouses, providing a historic view of the transactions they've been included on. You can filter the list by warehouse, status, and also search for a specific serial number. Clicking on a serial number in the grid will show a pop-up window detailing the transactions the serial number has been included on and the dates they were completed. And if your product is batch tracked, a batch numbers tab will be available, listing all the available batch numbers across your warehouses. Filter the list by warehouse, status, batch number, or expiry dates to refine the tab's view. By clicking on the batch number, a pop-up window will appear detailing the transactions the batch number has been included on, the dates they were completed, and quantities involved. Thanks for watching.